A very good morning to all the students of PUC second year Arts, Science and Commerce. I am Muhammad Ghulam Rabbani from Department of English, working at Nehru Arts, Science and Commerce College, Kantikeri, Hubli. Dear students, as I promised you to engage classes relating to your workbook, that is the devices of grammar. So I have completed pronoun, taken 2 classes, even solved question pattern relating to pronoun. Now I would like to teach you people about pairs of words. So as you know the meaning of pairs means two. So here 2 words will be given and you have to find out the meaning of both the words. If you will come to know the meaning of both the words, then it will be very easy for you to fill in the blanks. So you will find out the suitable words and easily you can fill in the blanks. So the condition is you must know the meaning of both the words. If you know the meaning, then you can fill in the blanks an appropriate word or suitable words. So there would be 2 words, out of 2, 1 would be the right one. First one is, the police had to use tear gas in order to dash the mob. Number A, disperse. Number B, disperse. My dear students, disperse means pay out money, and here disperse means to remove the mob means the people. So why the police had to use tear gas? To remove the mob, the people. So which one is inappropriate? After knowing the meanings of both the words, B1 is inappropriate. So the answer would be B. The police had to use tear gas in order to disperse the mob. Number 2, the son asked for his parents dash for the marriage. The son asked for his parents dash for the marriage. Number A is assent, ASCENT, assent. Number B is ASSENT, assent. So number A, assent, means the act of ascending. There is ascending order, descending order, ascending to go up, descending to go down, like. Number B, assent. This assent means approval. So the son asked for his parents approval for the marriage. So which would be the right word? Of course, B. So the son asked for his parents assent for the marriage. B is the right answer. Number 3, why don't you dash some money in a business venture? Number A, divest. Divest means deprive or strip. Invest. So it is very clear, for business money should be invested, not divest. So the answer would be B1. So why don't you invest some money in a business venture? Is it right? Yes. My dear fellow, dear students, fraternity, I think that it is very easy. Number 4 is chicken pox is dash. Number A, contagious. Number B, chronic. So you must know the meaning of both the words. That is, contagious means disease spreading by touch. Chronic means of disease going on for a long time. So of course, number A is right one. Chicken pox is contagious, means disease spreading by touch. So A is right one. Number 5th, Suresh is dash to smoking. Number A, devoted. Devoted means give up to for something. Number B is addicted. Addicted is nothing but bad habit. So Suresh is addicted to smoking. Yes, of course. Devote is especially used. This word is used for worship. He is a devoted person. He is devotee or something. Devotee of a deity. And devote means dedicate also. So here there is no suitable word for that is devoted is not suitable word. So the right word is addicted. Suresh is addicted to smoking. Number 6th, the texture of the cloth is number A, coarse. Number B, coarse. Number A, coarse means rough. Number B, cours, course means series of lesson. So it is all about cloth. So cloth may be the rough. So that's why the answer would be A. The texture of the cloth is coarse. coars. Number 7, parents must regulate the dash of their children. Number 1 is customs. Number B is habits. So parents must regulate. Regulate means control by rules or systems or regulations. So parents must regulate the habits of their children. B is right answer. Number 8, can you read out the one on the grave? Can you read out the dash on the grave? Number A, epitaph. Number B, epithet. So here number B is word added to a name. Number A, epitaph means something is engraved on the stone and put on the grave. So the right and appropriate word would be number A, epitaph. Number 9, the cyclone dash without causing any catastrophe. Catastrophe, disaster. So number A is abated. Number B is abated, abated. And number A is abetted, abated. My dear students, you must know the meaning of both the words, so that it will be easy for you to select the right word and fill in the blanks. So first one is abated means help and encourage to do wrong. Abated means help and encourage to do wrong things. Number B, abated. This abated means put a stop to become less. Put a stop to become less. So the cyclone Number B is a right one. Abated without causing any catastrophe, without causing any disaster. So here number 10 is Columbus dash America discovered, invented. So as you know that discover means the things that is already existing, somebody is finding out the thing, that is called discover. Invent means the thing is not existed, the person is what is called making something new, that is called invented. So here Columbus, the right word is discovered America. Number 11th, last one. This is a monument belonging to dash, to the dash period. Number A, ancient. Number B, old. So it would be very easy for you because this is a monument belonging to the ancient period. Old period, have you ever heard? Of course not. Because old time, it will be suitable. Ancient period, it will be right one. So this is a monument belonging to ancient period. So my dear students, go through this, try to practice it. Again, I would like to emphasize, again I would like to remind you that you study well, you read, write, collect materials, make fair notebooks and note down the notes of every subject. You explore in the field of education, you go after knowledge, you go after skills, you go after capabilities, then the door of opportunities will be opened for you in your future life, in your what is called in your career. So my dear students, you work hard, work is worship. If you do not work hard, you cannot fulfill your dream. And rightly APJ Abdul Kalam said, dream, dream and dream. Which dream? Which will not make you to sleep. So, small aim is a crime. You have a big aim. You know that everybody is facing problem now due to coronavirus. My dear fellow, we must adopt the situation and we must move. So we must learn, read, write and study well. Be studious like Babar Ali in first year that you have studied. Be studious, be smart, work hard for your life, for your parents, so that your parents will feel proud when the result will be displayed, when you will score more than 80% to 90%. So work hard, my dear students. Let me stop for the day. I will continue to the next class. Have a blessed day. Thank you very much.